Hi guys, let's get you started on SketchUp. In this lesson, I will show you on how you can get the SketchUp software onto your computer. If you have already purchased the SketchUp Pro license or signed up for the 30-day trial version, you must have received multiple emails directly from Trimble. For instance, that you have created a Trimble identity account. If you haven't created one, just head to sketchup.com, click on the Sign In icon, and create a Trimble ID. Just make sure to use the same email address which your license was added to once you purchased it. Now that you have signed in, please click on the little icon in the bottom right corner and select My Apps. From here, you can view all included applications in your Pro license. You can download the SketchUp Pro and choose the Mac or the PC version. After downloading, you simply install your program as you would install any other programs within your Mac or PC version. After installation, just go to your application folder, and from here you can find your SketchUp icon. After starting the SketchUp software, another window will appear wanting you to sign in into your Trimble account. Don't get confused here, since it forwards you to the Trimble website. Just sign in again as you have done before, and once you see the window that says you're all signed in into SketchUp, head back to your SketchUp software. It will then automatically update your login and show you the welcome screen. Don't worry if after some weeks you may suddenly are logged out from SketchUp. Just repeat the login through the Trimble account in case SketchUp asks you to. I guess it's just for security reasons. In the next video, we will start on how to set up SketchUp correctly. See you there!